Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll be starting with our new chapter, that is working with queries. We are already working on MS Access. So let's start with a blank database. First of all, let's revise the things that how to create a blank database. Click on blank database, and if you want to give another name, you give it. Otherwise, just click on create. And see, your blank database is created. We have already discussed all these things earlier. So this was the thing. Hiram, make your video visible. And then you have to create a table. For creating a table also we have learned the way, and we were having a view. In view we have to create a table name, and our table has been created. We have discussed about the different data types like auto number, memo number, date and time. It is required when you have to put something in your text, which type of thing you have entered. For example, IDs are generally of numbers. So we have written auto numbers. If I'll write name here, name are absolutely of alphabet. Then we will enter text. See, text is there, so I have selected the text here. We have already discussed how to create a primary key. I wanted to create ID as a primary key. I'll just click on primary key and see my primary key has been created. My auto key is primary key. Today we will be learning how to create a query. But for that we have to know what is query. Query is like a simple question. Whenever I ask you all, whether you, Hiram, make your video visible. I want to see whether you are there in the class or not. Okay. So query means asking questions. You all have questions when I just explain you the chapters. So you all have some different kind of questions when I all have to ask the questions from you. So when this kind of a condition is there, it means there should be a question, because in this we create a kind of a form. So everybody would be having queries. सबके पास questions होंगे पूछने के लिए. So that is called query. So let us learn how to create a query. But query is created on the tables. For example, I'll write something that I don't want nobody to enter the text here. They should enter only the things, and even you can see that how many things you can enter. Like field size is 255, and ID, if I'll click on ID, see, long integers, everything is changing according to the things. Maybe I think that it would be difficult for you to understand little bit things right now because you have not attended the classes. So first go to the videos also, and if you would be having any query, you can ask it to me so that I can explain it. Now let's see where we have created our primary key. We'll be setting a relationship between tables. Let's see how to set a relation between. I have created a table. I'll click on that table. See, my table is there. I'll be writing the ID. What I was telling you, my ID number is 001. Name, I would like Nidhi. Why my name is not coming? See, Nidhi is there. ID is coming by itself. Then I'll write Ansh is there. Then I'll write Pari is here. Now we were talking about I have to add an extra field. It is not yet completed. I want to add some extra. So I'll go to my view only, and I'll go to my existing table, and I'll create another table. Here I'll add a class. Here I'll add section. Subject. Now see, names are written in another thing, and class, section and subjects are written here. Okay. So it would be very difficult for us to go on this table to view this table and then go on this table to view the things. Okay. See, my two tables are there and both of them are having two different things. So now let's see how to create a relationship. We'll click on database tools. After clicking on database tools, we will go on relationship. Now everybody will go on relationship. See, relationship is there. I have clicked just on relationship. After clicking on relationship, there is a tab which has opened. It has shown me show tables. Show table option is there. I'll click on add. It will ask name or ID. I want to enter name or ID. See, ID, add. Okay. After this, we have to just click on relationship window. See, my IDs are here. I have created a relationship between this. I have created a relationship between the things. It is very simple. I'll revise it. We have to go on database tools. In this, we have to go on relationship. Then show table tab would come and just I have to click on add option and the relationship would be created. Okay. You have to click on close tab and see the things are being shown to you that only these things are there. You can even add it. You can do table designing. What type of a table you have done. Just you have to do on a single grid. Now let's see how to create a query. We'll be going how to create a query. We'll be going on design view. After going on design view, we'll be just go on create tab. Okay, on create tab you are able to see many of the things are there. We'll be going on query design. See, I have designed a query. Again a show table tab is there and I'll add a query. You can add a query and now I'll add table to add. See, close and I'll create. See, link is there. Link is shown in between so that you can add a query. You can write the field and you can write even the query also that what kind of thing is there. This is your query tab 1. In similar way, you can create many queries and this is the relationship which you are creating in between the things. So I hope this topic